I am Daniels B. Rodriguez Figueroa. I am a 21 years old student of the Grand and Foreign and Languages with an emphasis on English and technical systems. And my sister started basket was on years old is on one of the pet stories and that it have had in the very significant and time is started to whilst is felt from and what and when it is was on and the worker and no one and noticed me grandmother and when she found out it was very wet and palette they didn't come one golden happened to me. Life didn't too mortified and going to the doctor when the head and entrance. My mother two has met every day to him at the the doctors and tells that I didn't have it anymore vacuums so long at the clinic a possibility of fails and with me since I was invited uh, probably see difficulties stand in the walnut and corn is what bed apples in live it was probably in better health camp and when home and Charles win as much possibility. And my veins 6 years old. My mother always is celebrity my born birthday on January 50 and se always super day us donate and win select word said I what come to us with a cat and went into 8 years old and went is the neighborhood I go and the next car and Guillem Barre and the was something very hard in with a very town stand of me life bego and everything and went grown because he had to start and crowded and walking and no very able to have it on with me friends and it was way they looked for methods to play, and they appreciate me a lot. Thank you.